Every Murrieta homeowner relies on something they almost never think about. A small electrical circuit inside your furnace or AC that controls the entire system. When that circuit fails, your heating or cooling stops instantly. That is why AirTime Heating and Cooling focuses on diagnostics that go straight to the source of the problem. Most HVAC systems run on a series circuit. It is a single electrical path that runs through safety switches, sensors, relays, ignition components, and your thermostat signal. If any one part fails, the circuit opens and everything shuts down. It is designed to keep your home safe, but it also means one tiny issue can shut down your entire system. What looks like a major failure is usually just one small switch or sensor. AirTime technicians know how to find that exact point in the circuit, so you do not pay for unnecessary repairs or suffer through long outages. Murrieta's heat, dust, and long run times can trip these circuits more often. A dirty filter, airflow blockage, or worn sensor can stop your system even when the main components are fine. Regular maintenance and proper electrical testing help prevent shutdowns and keep your system running safely and reliably. If your furnace or AC refuses to start, keeps shutting off, or seems completely dead, the issue is likely somewhere in the series circuit. Call AirTime Heating and Cooling for expert diagnostics that find the real problem and fix it the right way.